Okay, this is Ashley and Toby trying to do the cinnamon challenge.
They're both going to fail. And I hate cinnamon.
Alright, scoot in a little bit so I can keep you both on here.
Go! You're dropping it off.
Okay. Hey, can one of y'all get this and close
Here,
it?
I'll take it.
Alright.
Alright.
Go.
Michael.
How you doing over there, Ash? How are you doing over here?
Oh, it's horrible, isn't it?
We're gonna take a little.
Oh, it smells so bad. I can smell cinnamon all the way over here.
Dude, it's my shoe.
Stop recording me.
I can't.
Michael, go in the It's like in the back of my throat and stuff. It went up my nose. Oh, look at the pile of cinnamon.
Mom, look how good he... Look how good that looks like a throw.
Alright, the end.
Just throw it.
Well, I wanna
Just throw